Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about 7th class computer lecture. In this, we will start the chapter first, that is number system. In the number system, we will discuss about the types of the number system that will present in our number system. That are the four types of the number system. That is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal system. These types of the number system we will discuss in the previous lecture. Now we will discuss further in this chapter. That is, the next topic is base. We will also discuss about the base of these number system. That the base is what? It is exactly the number of digits present in a number system. So in decimal number system, 10 digits are present, so its n is equal to 10. Binary number system, 2 digits are present, that is 0,1, that's n is equal to 2. In octal number system, 8 digits are present, so its n is equal to 8. And in hexadecimal number system, 16 digits are present, that its base is 16. इसके अंदर हमने देख लिया था कि नंबर सिस्टम में कितने हमारे जो टाइप्स के नंबर सिस्टम हैं और उनका बेस क्या है. बेस कितने नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स, उसमें हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स आर प्रेजेंट, दैट वी विल कॉल बेस. तो डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में 10 बेस होता है, बाइनरी में 2 होता है, ऑक्टल में 8 होता है और हेक्साडेसिमल में 16 होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि डिजिट्स दैट वी यूज इन सच नंबर्स आर in decimal number system 10 digits we will use, that is 0 to 9. In binary number system base 2, because digits that we used in are 2. In octal number system base is 8, that we use 0 to 7 digits in this number system. And hexadecimal base is 16, that we use digits are 16, 0 to 9, and A, 10, 11, B, 12, C, 13D, 14E, and 15F. So all these things we will discuss in the previous lecture. Now we will further discuss the types of the number system one by one. So our first number is decimal number system. जो पहला हमारा number system है वो कौन सा है? Decimal number system. The numbers that we use in our daily life, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the decimal number system, and its base is 10 because the number of these digits are 10. So the number system that we use in our daily life is known as decimal number system. It has base 10 as it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. In this system, the successive position to the left of the decimal points represent units, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. For example, now we will take an example 456. In this, from the 6 sides, 6 will be present at the first position. So it is a unit place. It is a unit place. We will quote it is a unit place. Now next is digit 5 will be present. It will be tens place. And next is digit 4 is present. That will hundreds place. Now if our number that will be present in that number 4 digits are present, then the fourth digits will represent thousands number, and it will be further go on successive, that is 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and so on in large number of system. So this is the decimal number system. Now we also write 456 as 4 multiply 100 plus 5 multiply 10 plus 6 multiply 1. So this addition will be also equal to 456. Thus as we move one position to the left, the value of the digits increase 10 times. जैसे ही हम इसकी इधर की वैल्यू से लेफ्ट की साइड में मूव करते हैं तो हमारे जो हर एक पोजीशन पे डिजिट्स है वो 10 टाइम्स इंक्रीज होता है. जैसे देखो 6 1 के साथ है, लेकिन 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 10 के साथ, एंड 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 100 के साथ, देन यहाँ पे 10 टाइम्स हमारा क्या हो गया, इंक्रीज हो गया. सो वी कैन see that the position of the number affect its value. So we can also see that in this the positions of the number will also affect the value of the number. Okay, जो हमारी positions है वो भी numbers की value को affect करेंगे. Now the next number system is binary number system. What is the base of the binary number system? That we called n, that is equal to 2, because in this we use only two digits, that is 0, 1. In binary number system only two digits 0 and 1 are used. It uses 2 as its base. It is basically used by a digital system such as computer system. So the computer will use the digits that are the 0 and 1s. We use decimal number system in our daily life, but computer use binary number system for calculation and other processes. So कंप्यूटर के अंदर हम बाइनरी नंबर्स को यूज करते हैं. बाइनरी नंबर है वो किस में यूज होंगे, कंप्यूटर्स के अंदर फॉर कैलकुलेशंस. सो द नेक्स्ट नंबर सिस्टम इज ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम. In octal number system, the octal number system consists 8 digits, that is 0 to 7, which the base 8. So in octal number system में 0 से 7 तक digits present होते हैं, जिसके लिए इसका base क्या रहेगा, 8 रहेगा. This is called octal number system. Now the next is hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, the base n is equal to 16. Base n is equal to 16. 16 symbol used for hexadecimal numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 digits and A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 letters. In 16 symbols, we use 0 to 9, 10 digits and A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 letters. So its base is 16. Letter represents the number starting from 10, A 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14 and F 15. इसमें जो हमारे लेटर्स हैं वो किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, जैसे A है हमारा, A किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, 10 को, B 11 को, इसी तरीके से C 12 को, D 13 को, E 14 को and F 15 को. So in this number system the letters will represent A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, E is equal to 14 and F is equal to 15. So this is hexadecimal number system. So in this lecture we will discuss about the types of the number system and its base. So it is the end of the today's lecture. You have to write these number system in your rough notebook and also learn about these number system. Thank you.